Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Monday, February 8, 2021. It is 4:24 and 39 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's videography is on cancer research. So let's hop to it here. Cancer research expands body's own immune system to kill tumors. Scientists are working to expand the way they have made immune cells fight tumors, from a small handful of cancers to a wide array of them. Date February 3, 2021. Source American Institute of Physics. Summary. Scientists are hoping advances in cancer research could lead to a day when a patient's own immune system could be used to fight and destroy a wide range of tumors. Cancer immunotherapy has some remarkable successes, but its effectiveness has been limited to a relatively small handful of cancers. The researchers describe how advances in engineering models of tumors can greatly expand cancer immunotherapy's effectiveness to a wide range of cancers. One of the biggest breakthroughs we've had in cancer research in decades is that we can modify the cells in your own immune system to make them kill cancer cells. Using existing immunotherapy advances, scientists have figured out a way to make the T cells already inside hot or inflamed tumors start fighting them. But that breakthrough does not help with cold or non-inflamed tumors, because the immune cells are not in the right place. Now, a big push in drug discovery in cancer is how to make those cold tumors hot. Researchers ask, how do we get immune cells into those tumors? To do that, scientists need to first recreate those changes in a laboratory. While much research could be done in a 2D environment, like a petri dish, modeling the way immune cells interact with cancer requires a more advanced 3D environment. Trying to merge those two fields together is what has made the 3D culture field really challenging, researchers say. The reason it is so hard is we are not just talking about having a plate you throw some cells in. It is more like building a house. A faithful 3D model for cold tumors would make the research leading to new cancer drugs faster and more efficient. The researchers say that is a big deal in a field where proposed new treatments take years to be approved, and an overwhelming 96.6% of them fail. If we can translate the success we've had with inflamed tumors to cold tumors, that would be a huge breakthrough. That is what researchers are going for in building these 3D culture models. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.